Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome to the channel. Today I'll be showing you how we make our cream puffs. And these cream puffs are special because they have a cookie topping. And today I chose to fill some of them with an Earl Grey cream and some with a matcha cream.
So the first thing we'll be doing is making the pastry cream because it has to set up in the fridge first. We'll mix egg yolks, cornstarch, and sugar until it is combined. Once that's combined, we'll add the Earl Grey infused milk to the egg yolk mixture and stir until there's no more lumps. Next, pour the mixture into a small saucepan and heat it until it is thickened. Once the mixture has thickened, remove the saucepan from the heat and add the butter to the pastry cream while it is still warm and stir it until it is smooth again. To ensure that the pastry cream is as smooth as possible, we'll put it through a sieve. Now, place a piece of plastic wrap directly on the surface of the pastry cream to prevent skin from forming, and put the bowl into the fridge. The next thing we'll be making is the cookie topping. Mix flour, brown sugar, and butter until it forms into a dough. Once the dough is combined, pour it out onto a piece of parchment paper and place another piece of parchment paper on top and roll it out until the entire thing is approximately the same thickness before putting the entire thing into the freezer.
A few moments later.
Now for the most important part, the cream puff. We'll be making a choux pastry for this, and it starts by heating up milk, butter, sugar, salt, and vanilla. Once the butter is melted and the mixture starts boiling, add the flour all at once and stir until it has combined. Now this next part is a bit of an arm workout. Remove the pan from the heat and stir the dough until the steam has evaporated before adding the eggs one at a time. Then keep stirring until all the egg has been incorporated. The finished product should be slightly sticky and a pale golden yellow color. Now for the fun part. Pour the mixture into a pastry bag and start piping. Remove the sheet of cookie dough from the freezer and using a cookie cutter, make circles for the cookie topping. Once the cream puffs are all piped out, place the circles that we cut out earlier on top of them. Next, put the cream puffs in the oven and wait for the magic to happen. Once they're finished baking, they should have a golden brown, crunchy exterior, and when you pick it up, it should feel light and airy on the inside. Now to finish off the Earl Grey filling, we'll whip some heavy cream until stiff peaks form. Fold the whipped cream in with the Earl Grey pastry cream, and this is what we'll be piping into the cream puffs.
So here we have the finished Earl Grey cream puffs.
Wow.
Now that I've filled them, and I brought Corey here, fun guy, to try it out with me. So take your pick.
Sounds good. Wow, you even have the pineapple bun tops on these too.
Yeah.
This looks so cool. So these are Earl Grey?
Yes.
Smells good. It's a nice touch having thing
Little
on top
thing
too.
on top, yeah. Cream puff cheers. Careful, might be a little messy. Crunchy on the top, but then with the filling on the inside.
I really like the cookie thing too on the top. It's really nice.
So with these you can have like so many options for flavors. Earl Grey's just one of them, but yeah.
I like that it's not too sweet. Like the flavor inside, it's like a perfect balance of Earl Grey, you know?
Alright, so thanks for watching everybody. We hope you enjoyed this quick video on how I make my cream puffs. And stay tuned for some more videos. Don't forget to like and subscribe.